So to build an artificial intelligence solution, we need a lot of data. Typically, we bring data from different places, different hospitals, different clinics. In some clinics, they are not comfortable to share the data because of the regulations, because of concerns regarding data privacy. This is particularly the case in developing countries where they still don't have the regulations in place. So our solution is to say, you don't need to share the data, we keep the data where it is, and we build a federated platform which sends source code to the different nodes, to the different clinical sites of the network. We build local models, local artificial intelligence models. We receive the models and we combine everything together into one model. So in this way, we still can build a very good model with a lot of data from different places, but without the need to share the data at any stage of the process. And in this project, we will demonstrate this federated approach by implementing a study with clinical centers located in Africa, Asia, and Europe. So it will be an intercontinental, international study to demonstrate this new federated approach that we are developing.